Some workers hold the view that testers don't really contribute much to the overall programming effort. The testers write little segments of code, or they run the code over and over without creating much in the way of deliverables. In addition, they often delay the release of software, when to a non-programmer often looks like complete and ready to go. And if the programmers have already tested the software, what use is it to have this redundant tester go over it again? These type of ideas or attitudes are wrong. It is the responsibility of the project manager to clear up such confusion. Explaining the benefits of testing and how that contributes to quality in software production to those who are confused about software testing is going to help. Another confusing idea about testers comes from the idea that some workers believe that software testing takes little or no skill. They make the assumption that if someone knows anything about software engineering, they would choose to be a programmer rather than a tester. Therefore, the inference is that anyone that is a tester must not be very good at programming. However, a professional software testing takes professional ability and skill, and that is why highly qualified people often choose the testing profession. The project manager should help team members understand the importance and degree of professional ability that goes into being a good tester. As part of testing, the tester must be able to understand the requirements specification. With this understanding, they are then able to create a verification strategy for the software. Without rigorous and disciplined engineering training and approach, the tester would miss crucial perspectives and test conditions. The project manager needs to show that the role of the tester is crucial to the effort to produce software. In addition, testers are in the position to judge the software. With this in mind, programmers can feel uncomfortable as testers criticize their work. The project manager needs to show that the objective of the testers is to uphold quality, rather than to belittle, criticize, or blame the programmer.